Hi, this is Andrea from beautiful Spring Creek Prairie Audubon Center, and I'm going to show you how to look for lichens. Let's take a close look at this tree. Now you have to get really close, and you'll see that the bark is covered with this kind of crusty looking stuff. That is lichen. Lichen is an amazing organism. It's not a plant or an animal. It's its own thing. It's actually two things. It's a fungus and an algae growing together. Lichen comes in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. It can grow together with other lichen. It can grow on trees, metal pipe, cement blocks, and even plastic. This is a picnic table made of plastic wood with lichen growing on it. One of my favorite places to look for lichens is rocks. Spring Creek Prairie has these cool, great big boulders. And if you look really close, they're covered with lichens. Lichens don't grow in places that have a lot of air pollution. So wherever you are, if you see lichens, take in a nice, big, deep breath of fresh, clean air.